Turn right to Webley. Webley Village.
Arriving at destination on right.
Welcome to Webley Car Park. We need to pay. Ready then? We have arrived here in Webley. This is 12.5 miles away from Hereford. We're gonna do the Hereford Circular Walk. It's in Webley area. Welcome to Webley. We're gonna take you for a walk here. Heritage Trail. That's the one we're gonna do. There's a viewing point. Got church, scout hut, village hall. Let's have a look at this Webley like. Yeah, Webley Heritage Trail. Opposite you is Manor House, typical of many houses in the 16th century. It is a whole house made up of a central hall with a gabled wing on either side. Daily life would have evolved around this large space, open to the rafters, with a stone hearth in the middle of earthen floor. The smoke from the fire escaped through a hole in the thatch or tiled roof. Originally there was no chimney. The one you see was probably added in the 16th century or later. It's a manor house. It's lovely. That's what it looks like when it's during the olden days. Now I got some changes in it. Just looking at the map. And white houses. There's a church, Webley Church. That one. Is that what Mandy and Marco?
Mandy went up there and horse and carriage.
Wow. My sister-in-law got married in this church. In Webley Church with a horse carriage taking her to the church. It's lovely. That was the year before my wedding. What's that, Daddy? 2003. It's the church, Webley Church. It's nice black and white houses. It's called Manor House during the 16th century. It's a quiet village. Lovely day today. Sunny. It's sunny. What's that? Huh? Petrol pump.
It's in there.
Not to be used for deliveries or less than. First time I see this. Petrol pump in a village. No? You think it's working? No. It's an old petrol pump, isn't it? Very nice. Oh, there's another one there. Portland, yeah. They sell an old petrol pumps here. Portland Garage. It's nice. Oh yeah, it is, isn't it? I forgot. It's bank holiday. bank holiday today, that's why most of the shops are closed. There's a Ukrainian flag there. The Gables Guest House. Bed and breakfast. Nice. Pretty village. Webley bus stop there. Mark Hurd's Butchers, old school shop. And this is the Webley Broad Street bus stop. It's nice. Green bean. So we're gonna do this. This is the Webley Jubilee Heritage Trail. The trail is in two parts, the inner and outer village, and the latter includes the church. The inner trail includes information points 1 to 12 and begins inside this information point to your left. The outer trail follows on from points 13 to 19. You say you start on the left earlier. I don't know if you're following that. Little Brook Cottage. It says there on your left. Castle Gate. The start of the trail. It's a defibrillator now, not a telephone box anymore. The Webley Castle Survey.
Must have been down here.
Yeah. Yeah. Which one we need to follow? Yeah. Right there.
It's up there.
Mm-hmm. We have harvested the crops already. Wonder what they are. We think it's sprouts. So I don't know. It's been harvested already by the farmers. It's probably sprouts or cauliflowers. We don't know. It's in Webley field. Those from Webley, if you know what it is, comment below. Weobley Circular Walk is under 3 miles. It's not that bad today. So this is Garstone Farms. It's a massive land, massive farm. What's their produce here? They plant wheat here, maize and broccoli. Maize, wheat there, and then broccoli here. They've harvested the broccolis already. And that's the maize and the wheat. here. Loads of them. Maize or sweet corn in the Philippines. In the middle of the maize fields. Yeah. Oh, there's a red rose there. Elderberries. We're near the village now. Probably visit the church. To the left. Nice roses. Smells nice. This house covered with plants. The Cayenne Wormsley. Weobley Marsh, Norton Cayenne. Columbus Cottage. Yeah, Unicorn Inn. Free house. It's a pub. What type of house is this?
Tudor.
A Tudor. Tudor houses. Well, that's where we started. Now we're back here in the village. Probably go to the church. The bus stop. Webley Street bus stop. Ukrainian flag. What's the other flag? It's nice houses there. This is Webley Church. This is the second tallest steeple church in Hereford. This is Webley Church. The tallest is Peter Church. Ships there. And this is where my sister-in-law got married and brother-in-law. It's pretty. Lovely looking church. Look. Welcome to God's Acre. This is a place of special meaning and memories for many, and a haven for wildlife. Please help us to keep it tidy by placing unwanted. Graveyard, memorials there. One day tell it another, and one night certified another. It's a lovely church. It's awarded National Lottery funding. Is in memory, in grateful and loving memory of the men of this parish who laid down their lives in the Great War, 1914 till 1919. Shout out to Mandy and Mark. Got married in this church. So that's the end of our circular walk here in Webley. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed our another walk on Hereford Circular Walk. I'll see you again on the next one. Take care, everybody. Bye.